man. Went to 1 a.m. Look, it's proof of the 12 o'clock. Are you hurting? Did it live? Let's see if it's... Oh, the Gromster lives. The Gromster lives. He didn't do anything. He just did a little bit over midnight. You know how many people in this world can do that? Just a very small percentage of meatheads. And he happens to be one of them. Hey, and you know what? That means another Fleming steak dinner for me. Because he did the loopity-loopity.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I stopped there, then I went back down for it.
Man did not. We walked. Unfortunately, this wasn't on film.
It didn't technically loop over, though. It went up and then back down.
Dude, you were having... Shanna and I both watched you.
He was running like this.
He was running, so he grabbed more throttle, so it gave it a little bit more loop. A little bit more... What's it called? Roll. First gear's dead. Oh, dude. First gear won't work unintentionally, intentionally, while practicing, hypothetically, stunt riding in a closed course with gear on, mind you. Always wear your gear. That's a fact. Save meathead's butt again. Never go out without protection. You don't want to go. You do.
And come back with something that you didn't have before.
That's you got it. See, he knows it because he's a young dude. You never want to go out without protection because you may come back with something you didn't have before you went out with. That includes riding. Remember that.
I'm gonna fix it. It's easy.
What's easy? How are you gonna find it? You gotta go through the cooler of tools.
It might take me longer to find the tool than fix it.
We gotta get this baby running so you guys can ride it at Robolink because we're leaving tomorrow morning. I'm gonna say I do this all the time. I'm 12 o'clock. I'm 12 o'clock.
I was in Dallas Point a little bit. I was going a little before.
No gear. Now I'm gonna have to Florida Krabby Patties. That's no good. And don't waste your tires, by the way. Shanna, there's only one little bang. I'll fix it for you. It's like a little boo-boo. Here. I'm gonna fix your boo-boo. You know what? That's actually class.
It's kind of funny.
Actually, honestly, we're gonna keep that. That's a keeper. I gotta buy some rid now too, since I was riding without gear. Those of you who got that right away, you know what I'm talking about. So don't even say anything. And you messed up my Gromster.
It's our Gromster.
I'm gonna fix it. Be easy.
All right, you fix it.
The problem was this cable that connects to this and then runs up through here behind this panel was a little broken down there, so it was reading that the kickstand was down even when it was up. So if you bumped into gear, it would turn the engine off.
The Gromster lives. Hold on.
Pretty easy fix. You just pop this panel off. Engine runs fine, but this little kickstand switch right here that disengages the engine when you bump it into first is malfunctioning. It thinks the kickstand is down when it's not. Turn the bike off when I kick it into gear. This is the wire you're going to be following up. It comes down to here as you see the kickstand. It's going to lead you right in here to this green one on top. You're going to disengage this, snip it right here, solder the greens together, and you'll be good to go. Pretty simple to get this out. You're just going to push this down while pulling this out. These are also really simple. You pick basically the same, it's the same on both sides. You're just gonna pick them up like this and you can pull them right out, click them back into place. There's gonna be two of them right there and right there. Here's the wire you need. Little zip tie right here, gonna be quick and easy to get out of there. I'm just gonna cut that, pull the whole wire out. So as you can see, this is the kickstand switch that cuts the bike off when it enters first gear, the kickstand down, or any gear for that matter. Green plugs in there. This wraps around the kickstand. As you can see, I looped this thing pretty hard, you know. It shouldn't be there, but shouldn't be messed up, but it is. Taking it off so I can at least ride this thing around still. Snip it right around here. Come in here. Splice that. Strip it. Alright, well, I'm gonna find some wire strippers. So I gotta strip these, spool them together, tape them back up, and then plug it back in. So as you can see, I stripped them, kind of pulled the wires apart, stuck them together, spun them up a little bit. Gonna take some more electrical tape, tape that up, and I'll get back to you. Not exactly the prettiest job in the world, so I'm gonna take a lighter and see if I can make it shrink up a little bit, make it tighter. Well, as you can see, I'm not exactly an electrician, so I just threw some more tape on there. We're gonna plug it back in and see if she fires up. So now it's basically reading like the wire's all good to the bike, even though it's not. And then pop this back on. It's easy to pop back in. You just take these two notches to these two. Keep the screws in place so it's nice and easy to do this. And it's plastic, so you don't want to overly tighten it and crack the plastic, so I just stop it like not even 10 pounds resistance, probably less than 5, I don't know. It's tight enough so it's not rattling, but not too tight where it cracks the plastic. As you can see, it's in first gear, which the bike I shouldn't be able to turn it on considering the kickstand is down. But it turns on. But now you just gotta make sure that you're not. You can easily just kickstands out now. Still runs just fine. See if it pulls a little bit. Oh, she's pulling. I think I fixed it. Look at that. Easy fix. Because the bike thinks the kickstand's down, so when you kick it into first, the bike shuts off.
You need to make sure the kickstand is up when we're out riding and rolling on the track, like riding around, because now the mechanism that automatically shuts the bike off has been removed. I give it to the man. He fixed it. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate all those likes. I appreciate all those subs. We went over that 2,000 mark. That's a bonus. Brett, Shanna, Mako, Captain, and Old Chili. Appreciate you guys all watching. And you know what? We'll see you next time. We're out of here.